It's a 12-row case planter with our Graham fertilizer. And also we have our Graham downforce. We have our Graham seeding motors on here. So he has all the bells and whistles. It's our Pro package. Runs off of a load cell on our downforce. All this right here is ran off of just the power of the tractor. It's 12 rows, downforce and seeding and fertilizer. We do suggest maybe adding a alternator for anything more than this. He has a little bit bigger alternator on his tractor, so we're able to run the 12 rows, downforce and seeding.